Hey guys, so right now it's a flood in my backyard. Look, wait, you can't see. Here, look at the back. Yeah, it goes at the back because there's a flood. Look. Wait, you guys can only see my phone. Wait. See, all that brown is water. Yeah. All that whole entire brown is water. Yeah. So, yeah. We're getting like flush warnings, flood warnings, and all that stuff. Yeah. Why? But like, it's a flood in my backyard. So, yeah. I just wanted to let you guys know. So, bye.